What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I know y'all saw the thumbnail. I know y'all want to see what car I bought to drive around until I order my Hellcat. And feel crazy doing a video about this car, man, because it's just a little car for me to drive around until I get my Hellcat. And if you're new to the channel, I just sold my RT. I'm sorry about the wind, man. The wind is on the what out here today. I just sold my RT. I sold it to a Honda dealership. I'm gonna leave a link in the bottom where you can go through all the videos and watch all my other videos if you're new to the channel. I got a little process going. I sold my RT, and I just bought me a little car to drive back and forth to work. Definitely gonna be the car I drive once I get my Hellcat, because I'm not gonna be daily in my Hellcat. So, and on top of that, now see, I'm strategic with the moves I make. Y'all already know that. My son will be driving next year. He should be getting his learners this year. So he already got a car to drive. So that's gonna save me money right there. He could just take this car and I just had to get me another one. But that's about a year from now for him to really be driving. So he already got a car, so I know he's gonna be happy about that. Again, that's why I always say, man, I always try to take my time when I do things, because I gotta consider more people than just myself. My oldest daughter has a car, my youngest daughter has a car, and then my oldest son, he'll have this car. So every time I make a move, I always try to think ahead and see how everybody can benefit from the moves I make. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how the car. I didn't get to clean it up yet. Actually, when I bought the car, they cleaned it up, but it rained later on that evening, so the car's a little dirty. But I did get it tinted. So I'm gonna show y'all the car now. I still gotta clean it up again, but I just got it tinted, so I'm gonna show y'all the car. All right, I'm gonna stop talking. I know y'all want to see the car, so here it is. There it is. This is my new daily driver. This is a 2003 Toyota Corolla, man. It's windy as a mug out here. I'm gonna try to talk while the wind is blowing. Now I'm gonna have to just take the sound out and just do like B-roll. But this is my new daily. Like I said, I got it tinted already. So it's just something to get around in, man. This drink, it's dry clean. I ain't looking for nothing perfect, but I feel like it'll get the job done. And like I said, it's something small to my son. He can learn how to drive it. He can learn how to driving this car. And on top of that, man, this is what I'll be driving once I get my Hellcat. Because the Hellcat is going to be parked, and I'll be driving this back and forth downtown to DC to go to work. This joint right here probably get about 25 miles to the gallon. So I'm saving on gas by driving this instead of my Hellcat. And my Hellcat will be leased, so I don't want to put a whole bunch of miles on it anyway. If I decide to buy it at the end of the lease, that's what I'll do. So I'll be driving this car right here, man. Leave your comments and let me know what y'all think about it. I'm gonna show y'all the inside of it real quick. See, it's just something plain, man. No leather seats, nothing like that, but it does have a radio. This joint got a CD player, bro, and a tape player. Look at that. But it's clean, man. Whoever had this car took care of it. You know what I'm saying? This car's clean, bro. Gotta put my headrest back on there because they took them off when they was tinting the car, tinting the back windows. So this is it, man. This is the car I'll be driving. I know it's small, but I can fit in this car. This car has a lot of room for me. It's pretty much just gonna be me driving it. So I got the seats laid back. So I ain't worried about no space. I got plenty of room in this car, surprisingly. That's why I bought it. I ain't want to spend a whole bunch of money on a car. I'm just driving back and forth to work. And this joint good on gas. and it's paid for. So no car note, don't cost me nothing to put gas in it. Nice little chill car to drive around, man. So again, man, it's just a little car for me to drive in the meantime until I get my Hellcat. I can't wait, man. I'm excited. Appreciate y'all following me, man, showing me support, encouraging me to go ahead and follow my dreams, man, get my dream car. Hopefully, again, I'm still waiting for everything to hit my credit. It's gonna be a minute before I get my Hellcat. Excuse me, I'm right here by the highway, and it's windy. It's gonna be a minute before I get my Hellcat. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I'm not gonna sit here and say I'm gonna get it next week or next month. That's not gonna happen. Like I said in my last video, I gotta order a car. I haven't even, first of all, my RT not even paid off yet, but still waiting for them to pay that off. So, and that takes time. You know what I mean? That's why they ask for a 10-day payoff when you're paying your car. So that's a process. Like I said, I'm still gonna be uploading. I'm gonna start doing reviews. I already talked to the Dodge dealerships. So when somebody order a Hellcat, Durango, or anything new that comes in, it's gonna be on the channel. So stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell because nothing's gonna change. I'm still gonna be uploading. Probably won't be as frequent as before, but I'm definitely gonna be still uploading videos. So I appreciate y'all supporting me, following the channel, and follow me on Instagram and follow me on Facebook. And so I'm about to get out of here, man. I'm about to go to the barbershop. Appreciate y'all tuning into the video, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace. And that's my color too, the octane red. That thing's pretty. I don't know.